everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and fix your Snapchat login temporarily disabled problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead and check if your app is updated or not, because that can be one of the problem. Go to your app gallery right over here and search Snapchat. As you can see, it shows the open option right here. If it's not updated, you will see update option right there. Instead of open, go ahead, update your app. Again, go back and try to log in. If it's not fixing, go ahead, check your network connection as well, because sometimes even if it's a minor issue, this can be a problem. Check your network connection. If it's good, go ahead and then you will again go back, open your Snapchat. So if you're trying to log in, go ahead, and if I go to the switch account now, you can see my username is right there. If the password, if you have entered the wrong password multiple times, you can get this option where you have the option like your account like temporarily disabled, you cannot enter anymore. Then what you can do, go take a break for like 15 or 30 minutes, go back and enter your correct password. If you're not sure about password, go ahead, tap on forgot your password, get your code by any of the sources given via email or phone, and then enter the code, enter your new email, and you're good to go. So that's how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, guys, and yeah, make sure to try all of the steps, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.